In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Google Play gift card. Whether you just received a physical card or a digital code, redeeming it on the web is quick and secure, and I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can add the balance to the right account without any confusion. Before we begin, make sure you're using a Google account you want the credit applied to and have the gift card code handy. If you have a physical card, gently scratch to reveal the code. Keep in mind that gift cards usually must be redeemed in the same country where they were purchased, and the code should be kept private until you enter it. Start by opening your web browser and going to play.google.com. This takes you to the Google Play Store on the web. If you aren't already signed in, click Sign In at the top right and log into your Google account. It's important to redeem while signed in so the balance goes to the correct account. Next, click your profile icon in the top right and choose Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you see the Redeem option. This is the place specifically designed for adding gift card credit to your account. Click Redeem, and a pop-up or page field will appear asking for your gift card code. Carefully type the code exactly as it appears. If your code includes dashes, you can usually enter it with or without them. Double-check common lookalikes such as the letter O versus the number 0 and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. When you're confident the code is correct, click Redeem. You'll then see a review screen showing the Google account you're about to apply the balance to, along with the gift card amount. Take a second to confirm this is the right account so you don't add credit to the wrong place. If everything looks good, click Confirm. The balance is added to your account immediately. You'll typically see a confirmation message, and your new Google Play balance will reflect the amount from your card. That credit can now be used toward apps, games, in-app purchases, movies, books, and other eligible content on Google Play. If something doesn't look right, such as a typo in the code or the wrong account selected, go back and adjust before confirming. Otherwise, you're all set. That's it. Your Google Play gift card has been redeemed successfully.